Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it was Thomas Jefferson, the third American president, and a strong advocate for agriculture and farmers, who said, "Agriculture is our wisest pursuit because it will, in the end, contribute most to real growth, good morals, and happiness." Today, we mark an important achievement in Grenada's agricultural journey, a journey defined by resilience, by science and innovation, and by partnership. The official handover of this modern tissue culture laboratory is indeed a remarkable achievement, a moment of glory for our country, and it is also a powerful symbol of the enduring friendship and collaboration between Grenada and the People's Republic of China. We all know that we are living in an increasingly turbulent world. And in such conditions, a true friend is a steady anchor, a safe harbor in the fiercest storm. And therefore, on behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture, the government and people of this country, I extend sincere appreciation for this timely and transformative investment in our nation's food and agricultural system. All of us know that agriculture across the Caribbean, and of course here in Grenada, is under tremendous strain. The accelerating impacts of climate change are no longer distant threats. They are our present realities. From frequent and intense droughts and floods to unpredictable weather patterns, invasive pests, and the degradation of our soils, our farmers are faced with these challenges every day. And of course, the recent passage of Hurricane Beryl reminds us. And it remains a sobering and urgent reminder of the vulnerability of our agricultural sector. And that's why the Ministry of Agriculture has been engaged and is engaging the government of the People's Republic of China to support the construction of this important facility. It is a meaningful step in reviving our capacity to produce tissue culture plants, a function that has been dormant for more than a decade. But perhaps more importantly, it signals our firm commitment to science-led, forward-looking solutions that will allow our agricultural sector to survive and to thrive. I want to say to you, my dear friends, that plant tissue culture, and it is sometimes called micropropagation, is a critical tool in the toolkit of modern agriculture. It enables the propagation of disease-free, high-quality, and genetically uniform planting material in sterile, controlled environments. This significantly reduces the need for chemical inputs while increasing crop resilience and productivity. And therefore, in short, this facility gives our farmers access to better plants and, of course, a much brighter future. The significance of this investment, my dear ones, goes beyond seedlings. It supports Grenada's ability to meet strategic development targets. And these targets include SDG goal number 2, which is zero hunger. And I do believe very strongly that if we get our agriculture right, we are going to eliminate poverty and create a better life for all of our people. Sustainable Development Goal number 13, climate action, and Sustainable Development Goal number 15, life on land. It also includes the CARICOM 25 by 25 initiative, which aims to reduce the food import bill by 25% by the year 2025. We're working towards that. Yeah, we're working towards that. We're working towards that by the end of the year. And of course, we have the OECS FAST strategy, as well as Grenada National Food and Nutrition Security Plan. So beyond propagation, this laboratory opens the door to cutting-edge agricultural research and biotechnology. And here in Maribo, we're going to make Maribo a research center. And our permanent secretary would have said to you that within our ministry is established a research unit. And we have 3 of our young, very bright, full of energy agronomists. One is here. I thought I would have sent the other 2. In the next meeting in town? Yeah. Biosafety meeting in town. And they are experimenting. They are working with CARDI, the Caribbean Research and Development Institute, to experiment in a number of food crops. So Ms. Frank, for example, said to me that she can now produce a corn. The seed is as big as this, and it's sweet. Carson is experimenting in sweet potato and white potato, what we call the Irish potato. So just now, we go have Irish potato being produced right here in Grenada. This laboratory will serve as a hub for crop improvement, genetic conservation, and the development of new high-value varieties, including our prize spices, tropical fruits, and ornaments. As we continue to promote Grenada as a world-class spice-producing country and horticulture leader, this facility gives us a strong platform to build a strong, transformative agricultural sector. Equally important, my dear ones, this project is about people. It's about our people. It's about developing our local talent, creating local scientists, because agriculture is a science. And we must have our own scientists, Grenadian scientists, from Maribo. And that's what this project is all about. Empowering our young people, because we're going to have young people working, creating new opportunities, especially for those of us who are in the rural communities. And in that regard, I am proud to announce that we're going to have, when the facility starts operating, we're going to have five young, talented Grenadian scientists. Yeah, that deserves a clap. 5 young Grenadian scientists They are going to be recruited. They'll be working here to lead the operations at this laboratory. And apart from them, we're going to have our administrative support staff, the officer, an admin officer. We're going to have a driver. We're going to have a janitor. And therefore, in so doing, we will be generating employment and improving the lives and livelihoods of our rural communities. So as the Minister for Agriculture, I say this to you. I remain profoundly and penetratingly committed to embedding and to utilizing science, technology, and innovation into the fabric of our food systems. The future of agriculture in Grenada must be driven by data and powered by modern technology. That is how we will spark innovation, attract young minds to the sector, and secure its long-term viability. That is how we will transform agriculture to make it meaningful and allow it to make that meaningful contribution to our national food and nutrition security. And I want to say to you that this year, come September, the Ministry of Agriculture will be closed. It will close down for about a week. Because I asked the Permanent Secretary to have most of the staff attend the week of CARICOM Agriculture in St. Kitts. We're paying for it this time. We go pay for it. It's in the budget. Because it is there that we come to appreciate all of the latest technology and development and innovations that are taking place in the agricultural sector. And I want the whole ministry and the staff to be there so that they can be empowered, they can acquire the knowledge and the understanding, and they can bring back that rich experience and that new exposure, bring it back to our agricultural farmers, pass it on to our farmers. And in particular, I want them to be exposed to the new climate-smart agricultural practices that are being performed all over the Caribbean, but are yet to reach the farmers of our country. It is precisely these climate-smart agricultural practices that would make our agricultural sector resilient, withstand external shocks, natural disasters, and allow our farmers to survive and to thrive in the shortest possible time when a natural event would have occurred in our islands. And therefore, my friends, in closing, I therefore extend my heartfelt thanks to the People's Republic of China for the generous support and enduring partnership. The 8th program is about to end. We have already discussed the 9th program with the Chinese, and the 9th program is far more intense, is far more science-oriented, is far more innovative than the 8th as we move towards making agriculture the science that is supposed to be here in Grenada. In this regard, this facility is more than a building. It is a catalyst for change, a symbol of progress, and a beacon of what we can achieve when international corporations aligns with national ambitions. So, finally, I say, let us all work together to ensure that this facility becomes a true center of excellence and a cornerstone of transformation in Grenada's agricultural landscape. Thank you very much indeed.